Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install and get started with Gnuplot on a Linux system. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to update our system. We'll be using the DNF package manager for this. Open your terminal and type the following command. Enter your password if prompted and let the system update all its repositories and packages. Once your system is updated, the next step is to install Gnuplot. Simply type the following command and hit enter. This will download and install Gnuplot along with any necessary dependencies. Great! Now that we have Gnuplot installed, let's open the Gnuplot terminal. Just type Gnuplot in your terminal and press enter. You should see the Gnuplot prompt, which looks like this. Gnuplot. Now, let's plot a simple function to see Gnuplot in action. We'll plot the sync function, which is sin x divided by x. At the Gnuplot prompt, type the following command. And there you have it. A beautiful plot of the sync function. You can try plotting different functions to explore more features of Gnuplot. Once you're done, you can quit Gnuplot by typing exit or quit at the Gnuplot prompt. That's it for today's tutorial on installing and using Gnuplot in Linux. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye from the system and happy plotting.